Hi everyone. Children, now I am doing few more sums on chapter 19b. I am doing now question number 9. PAT is a tangent at A to the circle of the center O. ABC angle 35 degree. We have to find out TAC angle, TAC and PAB. We have to find out TAC and PAB. As this is a diameter, O is lying on BC, BC is the diameter, hence BAC is 90 degree. You will write semicircle, lying on the semicircle. So SAB is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 35, that is, it is 55 degree. You got, this is 55 degree. Now the question is asking TAC. This angle is equal to this angle. Why, children? I told you, when the tangent and the chord intersect in one point, at that time that angle is equal to that opposite of that chord. Hence I'll write this is TAC is equal to 35 degree. You will write alternate segment theorem. PAB is equal to 55 degree, alternate segment theorem. Okay. Now children, I am doing question number 12. This is a circle. This is a tangent. A, B, P, this is T, this part is X, this is O, this is Y. Question is giving OAB. OAB is 35 degree. PT is a tangent at T. Find the value of X and Y. Now say children, OA equal to OB, radii of the circle. Then I can write OBA is equal to OAB 35 degree. Okay, this is 35 degree. So BOC is equal to 180 minus 35 plus 35. Why, children? I am applying the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So 180 minus 70, 110 degree. You got, this is 110. Now this is a center angle. This is a circumference angle. Therefore, I will write Y is equal to 55 degree. You will write the property, children. Okay. Now, X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y equal to 55 degree. Alternate segment theorem. You will write full, children. Okay. Now see children, question number 30, which is very important question. Maximum time it is coming in the board exam. That is, you write P A B. This is T. Now it is giving PAB is a tangent, PAB is a second to the circle and PT is the tangent. We have to prove that triangle PAT similar to triangle PTB. And second bit, PA into PB is equal to PT square. Now see children, I have to write, this is to prove. Now proof part, I'll write in PAT and PTB triangle, you see that which letter is coming common? P is coming common, therefore I'll write PTA and PTB triangle, P angle is common. Second property, I'll write this angle is equal to this angle. PTA is equal to PBT. Alternate, you will write alternate segment theorem. Therefore, triangles are similar. Why? Angle property. Okay, right? This is angle property. Now, if the triangle are similar, we'll take their proportional parts to get the answer PA into PB is equal to PT square. So, what I should write? Third property I'll take in this triangle, this one. In the bigger triangle I'll take this part. Okay. Now I'll take the proportional parts. What I should write? I have taken this one. This is in the smaller triangle. If you are considering the smaller triangle, always consider with the smaller triangle. Therefore I'll write, this is P angle opposite is TA by TB. Now this opposite is PA by full triangle you are taking PT. This is remaining PT by full is coming PB. Now see, our question is giving PT square, so I'll take this one, cross multiply, PT square is equal to PA into PB, hence proved. Which is very important question in this chapter, children. So 14 and 15 it is giving the hints. I am leaving for you. You will do it. If any doubt you are getting, children, you ask me. Okay. Thank you.